And action.
This is my firm belief that life itself is not only a great teacher, it is an experience. It's a cluster of experience and incidents which give you so many stories. And these stories from all over the life, they get embedded into the subconscious mind. And those who are passionately thinkers, creators by nature, they get the urge, they get the passion. The passion drives them to spell out these stories, to write these stories, so that they can convey the same to the world, and also they can translate their experience into a motivation for the next generation. So that is where the author comes in. And so long as Burning Sapphires is concerned, it's also such a story, which is a real life story of the Paradise Lost. And I was very, very passionate about writing this story. There are so many stories in Kashmir that I could be writing a book each day, if possible. And I'm very happy to have the platform of Author's Eye, because this gives you an ideal platform to promote your work, to take the story from your heart to the audience.